good morning. I just got dropped off at the trailhead after spending the night at Station 19's hostel. That was really awesome. They had free breakfast thanks to their program. What was it called? It was trailmagicdust.com. And yeah, that's a really awesome program. I kind of cut it out of yesterday's vlog, which I feel kind of guilty about, but it's in today's vlog now, so yeah. Sorry, highway. Yeah, so mac and cheese and six-pack are still there. I kind of just ditched them, which like sucks, but like the shuttle was leaving and then they would have to take some other people, and I was just like, yeah, no thank you. And I started walking or I like hopped in the shuttle because they were gonna go like to a different place, like not the close trailhead, but to like a further away trailhead after this. So I'm just like, like last chance, I'm just like, I don't want to wait around, I can go hiking. So I just left without telling anybody, which kind of sucks, but like it is what it is. Yeah. There really is no plan today. There's a shelter in 8.4 miles according to the sign. I think it was like 9 something according to the book, but we'll figure it out. And apparently there's a waterfall in like 5 miles. So like, I don't know what we're doing today, but we're just gonna walk until we get to wherever we're going. Because your footprints, I had this all planned out. Your footprints don't gotta be big, they just gotta take you in the right direction. There it is. I said it, and I will cut that down so you don't see me mumbling to figure out what it was. I came up with that last night. Actually, I kind of stole it, but like, shh, don't tell anybody. I was inspired, okay? I was inspired. I think that's it. So, yeah. I've rambled on for like 2 minutes now. I waited a little bit till I'm away from the falls. You can kind of still see it back there, but not really on camera, so I'm sorry. But like, yeah, I'm trying to get away from it before I do something really stupid. That would not be good, you know? We still got a little ways to go today. And yeah, yeah. There's also another waterfall, so. That really hurt. Guys, that's why you don't climb up waterfalls. That really hurts. Thankfully, the shelter is in point one, and I'll be able to rest there. I might continue on because it's only like 3, I think, or like 4, probably 4. But like, I don't know. I'll get there, and then I'll probably wait around a little bit, and then I'll just be like, let's just stay here. Because that's honestly what I would do. I mean, there really is no plan, but like, the original plan for today, not that it was an original plan, but like, when everybody was asking them, how far do we want to go? We said like 10 miles, and the shelter's like 9 or 8, I think. So I'll just chill out there for a little bit, and honestly, probably just be camp for tonight. So yeah. I got water. I had food or potatoes, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I'm still the only one here, which is weird. So, I don't know. I know the people ahead of me are insane because, yeah, I don't know them personally, but I know that we're gonna push it to. I know in that hostel yesterday. I don't know what I'm saying. They talked about getting to Damascus in like 4 days. I'm just like, or like I think it was like 4.5, not 3.5. But like, I don't know. I built this amazing fire, and I'm the only one here who's appreciating it. And I'm about to run out of wood, and I really don't want to get more wood because I never get firewood when I'm making a fire. It's usually one person gets the firewood and the other person makes the fire. That's how it works out here. I don't want to get the firewood, I make the fire. Because by the time I go get the firewood, the fire's dead. I think that's it, so. There really is no plan for tomorrow. So like, tomorrow's plan is really tomorrow's problem. Because I don't know where my friends are at, or like, I don't know. I don't know where they are. The squad is missing once again. We are separated. We are a separated squad. Yeah, that's all I have to say. I think I'm gonna have some tortillas with honey on them just because I got nothing else to eat besides Oreos, which I'm trying to save, but like that probably won't last because I'm bored and the only thing I have to do is vlog, which is why this is going on forever, and eat, which is why I might hang up the vlog. But yeah. Did I say I've been here for 2 hours? I've been here for 2 hours, if I haven't said that already. I think that's it, so I guess tomorrow's plan is really tomorrow's problem. I mean, there's a shelter in like 10 miles and one in 17 miles, so like, we like to shelter hop out here. But yeah, continuing north tomorrow. Peace.